Hello everyone, my name is Graham, and today we are going to be going over the 10 commandments of test prep, rules to live by for testing success. Thou shalt obey these rules. They are useful for whatever test you are taking and apply to any section of the test, whether it is math, reading, vocabulary. Keep these in mind when taking practice tests, and eventually they will become second nature. If you have learned other strategies that are effective, please mention them in class. Number 1, know the rules of whatever test you are taking. Is there a penalty for guessing? If not, then leave no blanks. Listen to and read all instructions and ask questions if you don't understand. How much time is given? Are calculators allowed? These are the things that you need to know. Read the questions and answer choices carefully. This is how to avoid silly mistakes. You can't afford to get wrong answers on questions you actually know to solve, so slow down and make sure you're reading the question and answer choices correctly. Number 3, keep track of time and do not linger on one question. They are all worth 1 point, so it's not worth spending extra time on a question you can't solve when there are other equally valuable questions that you could solve further down on the page. The moment you wonder, am I spending too much time on this question? You already have. Pacing is everything, so wear a watch to the exam. Number 4, look at all the answers before deciding on the best answer. Students get wrong answer choices that are C or D more frequently than if they are A or B. Why? Because they settle on the first good choice that they see rather than the best choice. There may not be a perfect answer, so don't waste your time hating on the question if it seems imperfect. Go with your instinct. Pick the best answer and move on. Number 5, use process of elimination, POE. Eliminate extremes, duplicates, and answers that just don't make any sense. The correct answer is always there, so you just have to know how to narrow down your options until you find it. It's sometimes easier to eliminate the silly choices first and then focus on what's left. Six, use all the time that you have. Go back and check your work. The 4 minutes you spend double checking could make a huge difference in 4 years of your life, which high school you go to. Train yourself to use all of your time. The first person done is sometimes the one with the worst score. Number 7, know thyself. Are you a changer of answers or a first guess is the right one type of person? Try to figure out which type you are during this workshop, and then be that person on test day. 8, practice the skills you need to improve, not what you're already good at. If you are great at math and terrible at reading, then you should practice the reading. 9, be well rested and fed on test day. Your brain will not function without proper sleep and nourishment, so have snacks ready to eat during the breaks and get a good breakfast. Finally, number 10, don't panic. Just do your best. Visualize success. Practice finding a way to block out all distractions before you start each section, as well as during the test. Repeat a mantra or a positive and encouraging sentence to yourself. Brainstorm other methods that will remind you to focus. These are the 10 commandments of test prep. If you commit these 10 rules, you will do better on test day.